In this video, let me show you how to set stop orders in Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video, I'll teach you about the way that you set stop orders inside of Robinhood. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Once you're inside of the platform of Robinhood, pick up a stock that you want to buy or sell and add in that stop order. From the list given below, just pick the stock. If you don't see the stock here, you can tap on the search bar on the top and then search for it. Now once you're inside of the stock and then tap on the buy or sell, you're gonna see this screen. For you to change the order type, from here you need to tap on the option which says dollar on the top right, so that you can choose from a bunch of different orders that are available. You can see all of the orders that are available for you. In order to select the stop order, just tap on the stop order option. Once the stop order option is selected, it's gonna tell you exactly what this is about. Just tap on the continue button. Now here you'll have the option of adding in the number of shares that you're trying to buy for this particular stock, and then also add in the stop price. So this is the section where you can add in the stop price that you want for this particular stock, and it's also going to show you the estimation on the bottom. Once you fill this information in, you can just tap on review and then swipe up in the next screen. That way your order for this particular stock will be placed into the market. So that's all there is in order to put a stop order inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.